Most important French sentences, part 4. Del French exams. Subscribe our channel now. He likes cheese.
Il aime les fromages.
He likes cheese.
Il aime les fromages.
He likes chocolate.
Il aime les chocolats.
He likes chocolate.
Il aime les chocolats.
He likes London.
Il aime London.
He likes London.
Il aime London.
He likes swimming.
Il aime nager.
He likes swimming.
Il aime nager.
He likes volleyball.
Il aime les volets.
He likes volleyball.
Il aime les volets.
She likes movie.
Elle aime les films.
She likes movie.
Elle aime les films.
She likes music.
Elle aime la musique.
She likes music.
Elle aime la musique.
She likes boating.
Elle aime faire du bateau.
She likes boating.
Elle aime faire du bateau.
She likes walking.
Elle aime marcher.
She likes walking.
Elle aime marcher.
She likes gold.
Elle aime l'eau.
She likes gold.
Elle aime l'eau.
We like books.
Nous aimons les livres.
We like books.
Nous aimons les livres.
We like traveling.
Nous aimons voyager.
We like traveling.
Nous aimons voyager.
We like pizza.
Nous aimons les pizzas.
We like pizza.
Nous aimons les pizzas.
We like Europe.
Nous aimons l'Europe.
We like Europe.
Nous aimons l'Europe.
We like pets.
Nous aimons les animaux.
We like pets.
Nous aimons les animaux.
They like your idea.
Ils aiment ton idée.
They like your idea.
Ils aiment ton idée.
They like your dress.
Ils aiment ta robe.
They like your dress.
Ils aiment ta robe.
They like your project.
Ils aiment ton projet.
They like your project.
Ils aiment ton projet.
They like your recipe.
Ils aiment ta recette.
They like your recipe.
Ils aiment ta recette.
They like your choice.
Ils aiment ton choix.
They like your choice.
Ils aiment ton choix.
Friends, subscribe the channel now.